Hello, this is the Zosi 1080p 8-channel HD wireless security system. I just bought this thing not too long ago on Amazon. Haven't taken it apart yet or haven't opened the box, so we're going to do an unboxing. I want to see what everything that comes with it, make sure they didn't miss anything, show you how they package it. And I also bought an additional item from Amazon to help with this install, so I will get to that a little later after we get through the unboxing. So let's just jump right into it. The only thing I've done so far is cut the tape on the sides and the front so I can open the box easier just for the video. So let's take a look here. I mean, the box feels nice in and of itself. It's got this nice solid carrying handle that it comes with. When I bought it from Amazon, it came in a separate box and this box was inside of it. Let's take a look here. Nice box so far. Got styrofoam. Seems like right here. Good packaging. So this is the, obviously it seems like the first box you would naturally open. It's right on top here. Let me just get right in here. See what we have. Oh, okay, so from the looks of it here, it looks like we have some sort of antenna. Let's see here. Has a, I think they call that a coaxial cable. I'm not exactly sure. Yeah, some sort of antenna, probably for the wireless. Looks like an additional antenna. Looks like the same exact thing as the other one. So you get two of these antennas. And I'll be uploading a part 2 video. After I install this thing, I'll show you how it all works and how it looks like on the camera once I have it all set up to my television. So let's see here. So these looks like the power supplies for the cameras. ITE power supply, 1 amp max, output 1 amp, 12 volts. And it looks like there's like the power little button there. So let's see how many there are of these. There should be 8 of them. So 1, 2, 3, which I'll just set these over here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, 8 power supplies in total. Okay, so that's the right number of power supplies. That's good. We have a USB mouse. Kind of flimsy, but you know, I mean, it'll work probably. Haven't tested it yet, but you know, if you don't have a mouse, it'll at least get you going. Alright, I'm not sure what that's exactly for. Probably selecting something. Okay, this looks like a larger power supply. Okay, so this must probably be for the receiving unit for the cameras. So I'll just put that over here. And then we got these white things. I'm not quite sure what they're for. I'm sure the instructions will say somewhere. We got also an Ethernet cable. This is Cat 5. Comes with a Cat 5 internet cable. Okay, nice. So now that we've seen, I'm just going to toss this all back into this box and set this aside. So it comes with the mouse and everything, the power supplies. Those white things I'll figure out later when I do the install. So there. Okay. So that's that part. Now let's take a look at what the rest of the box has here. These obviously must be the cameras. There's 8 of these individually boxed items. Let's take a look. Look at this guy. Again, pretty nice packaging. Okay, so this is going to be one of the cameras. First it has, oh, okay, so that looks like something there. And there's power right there, 12 volt. I'm going to grab, take a look here. Oh wow, yeah, that looks pretty nice. That looks pretty slick. Look at that. I'm losing my packaging here. Let me stuff that in there. Yeah, so it says Zosi right here. It's a metal housing. not plastic. This actually feels all metal bracket. It's got three holes for mounting, and it looks like it has like a little slot here for the cable to slip into so it can mount flush and not harm the battery. Here's the model number. It says Zosi model ZG2332M, and then a serial number. Oh. Made in China. Alright. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. The housing feels pretty solid. There's the coaxial cable plug in here. It comes with an antenna, which I'm assuming is for the Wi-Fi, most likely. It looks like you just put it there and then it bends. You can just mount it right there. So that's sort of what it would look like this, once it's on there. It was nice. And it comes with 3 screws, and looks like also for mounting to drywall. I think that's what these little units are here, anchoring into stuff. Okay, so I'll put this back in here. There are 8 of these boxes. They're packaged pretty nicely here. You can see that right there. They're all like nestled in there. There's not much movement. So I'm going to pull out the the main unit here for receiving. Okay, right away it's all packaged. It's got some sort of informational CD, I'm sure. Got a user manual. Let's take this out of here. See what kind of Zosi H.264 digital video recorder. Status, power, record. Looks like some sort of plug in there in the front. Let's take a look at the back. We have these 2 antennas. VGA output, I'm assuming HDMI output. USB, your 12 volt. Right there. Looks like maybe it'd come with the on-off switch, but they didn't include it. But really all you need to do is just unplug this if you ever want to turn it off. So there's that. Zosi. Okay. Zosi. However you want to say that. That looks like it's basically it for the packaging. It comes with, again, this nice stacked styrofoam. You can see how thick that is. It's quite nice. Good packaging. I would give it a good grade on the packaging level. I think this would ship pretty secure. You wouldn't have to worry about anything getting damaged in shipping. I mean, unless they get real aggressive with it. Okay, so something additional I purchased to help with the things is the cameras are waterproof. However, these power supplies are not. So you can't, it's not recommended that you put these outside. So the additional product that I'd purchased right here is to assist with that issue. And I got these again also on Amazon, and they're basically extender power cables for, I'm going to try to just get one out of here real quick. I haven't opened these either. 4-pack Crystal Vision Precise power extender. Okay, here's another one here. And so we're going to test, see if Amazon recommended me the right size. And I'll get it. Let me see if I can. Let me just get the exact name of what I purchased here for the power cable. I want to make sure that I get everything correct. Okay, so these power cables that I bought are the Crystal Vision Premium HD Wireless Camera Power Extension for Crystal Vision. But it says it's adaptable with, you know, a whole bunch of different brands. These were $24.99 for a 4-pack, and they are so many feet. So anyways, you just take this and you go like this, and you can see that fits nicely right there. And then it gives you this much more extender, so you can leave this inside somewhere and just extend it and not have to worry about this getting water damage. So the part 2 of my video, this is all pretty good. I would recommend you get these extenders depending on where you're installing them. I think that they'd help a lot. I'm going to do a part 2 video on the after it's installed, and maybe do a quick follow-up of troubleshooting things I've experienced when I went through it. Alright, that is all. I will see you part 2.